Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard jelly. Achieving a truly firm jelly requires careful attention to ingredients and process. We'll start by selecting the right fruit or adding commercial pectin to ensure a strong gel. Then, we'll discuss the critical balance of sugar and acid, which are essential for the pectin to activate properly. Finally, we'll cover the precise cooking temperature needed for that perfect, hard set. The foundation of hard jelly lies in pectin. Fruits naturally rich in pectin, such as tart apples, cranberries, or citrus peels, are excellent choices. If your chosen fruit is low in pectin, don't worry. You can easily add commercial pectin to achieve the desired firmness. Remember, sugar isn't just for sweetness. It plays a vital role in the gelling process and acts as a preservative. Aim for a balanced ratio, often 1 cup of sugar per cup of fruit juice. Cooking the jelly to the correct temperature is paramount for a hard set. You'll want to bring your mixture to a full, rolling boil that continues even when stirred. A candy thermometer is your best friend here. Aim for 220 degrees Fahrenheit or 104 degrees Celsius at sea level. This temperature ensures enough water has evaporated for the pectin to form a strong gel. Always perform a cold plate test to visually confirm the jelly will set firmly. Sometimes, despite best efforts, jelly might not set as hard as you'd like. Don't despair. You can often reboil it with a bit more pectin or a splash of lemon juice to reactivate the gelling process. Once your hard jelly is perfectly set, store it in sterilized jars in a cool, dark pantry. It will maintain its quality for up to 1 year. For other great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.